This one, T. Coronae Borealis, is one of the brightest, simply because of how close it is to us relative to the others. The rest are discovered by telescopes and special surveys intended and designed to make just such discoveries. Again, why do they recur? Because once you have the explosion, we start the cycle all over again. The red giant spills out of its Roche lobe and layers hydrogen gas and some helium until it hits that threshold once again. The fact that this repeats every 80 years means, yeah, that's a once-in-a-lifetime event. We've all heard people describe eclipses that way, once-in-a-lifetime event. Well, that's just BS. Bologna sandwich. Because there's an eclipse, a total solar eclipse, somewhere in the world every 2.5 years or so. They're simply not coming to you that often, but they're coming to Earth more often than the Olympics. So, there's another kind of object out there where you have a binary system, once again, a red giant and a white dwarf, and if the white dwarf is already near a different kind of threshold in mass, a threshold first calculated by the brilliant Indian astrophysicist Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar. He noted that if you have a white dwarf that's near a limit, what limit is that? About 1.4 times the mass of the sun. And you drop some more material on it? Oh, it's no longer just let's explode the outer surface. The entire star, white dwarf, goes unstable. And it collapses and becomes a supernova. These are way brighter than novae. Novae, that's plural, Latin plural, N-O-V-A-E. Way brighter. And we see them in the sky, and so what else could we do but call them supernovae? And they're kind of related because there's a mass transfer, but one is way brighter than the other because one is the catastrophic death of the white dwarf, and the other one is just sort of puffing off, not puffing, it's still explosive, but it's way tamer than what goes on in a supernova. Supernova you can see halfway across the universe. That's how bright they are. They're as bright as the entire galaxy in which they explode. This nova, we are at a safe distance, 2,600 light years.